Hey children, so today we're going to find the area of triangles while also using exponent laws. So to do this, the first thing we want to start with is just a reminder of what the area of a triangle is as far as a formula. And the formula is our base times our height, all divided by 2. So the first thing I need to do is determine what is the base of this triangle and also what is the height of this triangle. So if you already think you have a clue as to what the base and the height are, please take a moment and write them down. So when I look at this triangle, I can tell that the bottom portion, the base, is actually 8 times m times n. So I'm going to write 8mn, and I can see that the height is 4m squared, so I write 4m squared for my height, and then I begin to use my formula. So I know area equals base 8mn times height 4m squared, all divided by 2. Whoops, that's not where I wanted that. Okay, so I can take a look at the top portion first. I multiply the numbers first. 8 times 4 is 32, so I'm going to write 32. Here's where I start to use the product rule. M times m squared gives me m cubed, and n just tags along for now. I also know that this is being divided by 2, so I need to simplify this one last step. 32 divided by 2, go ahead, take a moment, figure that out. So I get 16m cubed n, because 2 goes into 32 16 times. So I know that this is the area for this triangle, and that's the end of this problem. Okay, so let's take a look at problem 4. It's a little bit different because here I have a right triangle. It doesn't say that in the problem, but I'm telling you right now this is a right triangle. You can put the square there if you want to. But I still need to determine, first off, what the formula is, which is still the same. I take the base of the triangle, multiply it by the height of the triangle, and divide it by 2, or cut it in half. So I still need to determine which part is the base and which part is the height. So if you think you have a clue as to what is the base and what is the height, please take a moment without me and write those down. So if I look at the bottom of this triangle, it is 3AB, so that lets me know that the base is 3AB, 3 times A times B. And if I look at how tall the triangle is, I can see that the height is actually 4A squared B, which is 4 times A squared times B. And then I can begin to use my formula. So A equals my base, 3AB, times my height, 4A squared B, all divided by 2. Let's not forget that. So I'm going to work on the top first. I'm going to multiply the numbers first. What is 3 times 4? It's 12, of course. And then I have to use the product rule with my variables that have exponents. So I have a to the first power times a to the second power. That gives me a to the third power. And I also have b to the first power times b to the first power, which gives me b to the second power. Okay, I have to remember that this is still being divided by 2, so I'm not quite done yet. I need to do one more step to simplify this. 12 divided by 2 is 6, so I'm left with 6a cubed b squared, and this is my final answer for the area of this right triangle. So I'd go ahead and put a box around this, make sure I wrote the area there, and we're all done. Hopefully this helps you finish problems 3 and 2 on your own. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.